What superfoods should older adults eat? No single superfood provides all the nutrition we need. That's why it's important to eat a wide variety of nutritious foods daily. Dark colored leafy greens like kale and spinach are rich in carotenoids, which have been shown to protect the eyes against oxidative damage. Spinach is also loaded with vitamins A and C, which help protect the heart and moderate blood pressure levels. Vitamin K is another leafy green nutrient found to play a major role in preventing osteoporosis. Leafy greens are delicious in a salad, in a sandwich, or sautéed with a splash of healthy oil. When it comes to leafy greens, it's important to watch out for interactions with any drugs you're taking. Spinach, kale, collard greens, broccoli, and other leafy greens can make blood clotting medications less effective. Green leafy veggies are rich in vitamin K, which interacts with the common blood thinning drug warfarin. Speak with your doctor before adding more leafy greens to your diet. From almonds and pecans to hazelnuts and pistachios, nuts are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and plant protein. They also contain monounsaturated fats, which are thought to help lower heart disease risk. As long as you have no known allergies, nuts make a delicious standalone snack. They can also be blended into pestos or used as a scrumptious salad topper. Seeds are another satisfying superfood. A 2022 study found that the nutrients in chia seeds can help prevent cancer, GI tract related diseases, and cardiovascular disease. Chia seeds may also aid in controlling type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Other tasty seed options include hemp seed and flax seed, which are also high in inflammation. Fighting omega-3 fatty acids. Something to keep in mind about nuts and seeds. They are high in fat and calories, so it's best to limit consumption to a small handful each day. This veggie family includes broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and turnips, all of which are great sources of fiber, vitamins, and cancer-preventing phytochemicals. Cruciferous vegetables are tasty and extremely versatile. Toss them in soups, pasta dishes, and casseroles, steam them, or stir fry them with seasoning and some olive oil. Fatty fish is an excellent source of protein, a nutrient vital to maintaining muscle mass in older adults. It's also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. A great way to enjoy a fresh fish fillet is to lightly season it, bake it, and serve with a side of cruciferous vegetables. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a class of water-soluble flavonoids found in many colorful fruits and vegetables. In a recent study, researchers linked anthocyanins with improved cognitive performance in people with high levels of inflammation. Blueberries also contain antioxidants, compounds that help protect our cells against free radical damage and reduce the risk for heart disease and cancer. These flavorful, versatile berries can be added to smoothies and desserts, sprinkled over cereal, and of course, eaten all by themselves. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with nourishing fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients that support head to toe health. This creamy textured fruit is delicious in guacamole or spread on toast. If you or an older adult you care for doesn't like the taste of avocado, consider blending it into a fruit smoothie for a subtle nutritional boost. Eggs have been a source of dietary controversy over the years due to cholesterol found in the yolk. However, skipping the yolk could deprive you of key nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. Egg yolks also contain choline, a nutrient and neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood and memory. Unless otherwise instructed by your doctor, you can consume up to 3 eggs per day. Since eggs are high in protein, this superfood is an ideal choice for a hearty breakfast. Scrambled, poached, hard boiled, or sunny side up. When it comes to protein, Greek yogurt delivers. Just 1 cup has 17 grams of protein, as well as 20% of the daily recommended intake of calcium. Why else is Greek yogurt considered one of the best superfoods? It contains probiotics, which help us maintain gut health. Probiotics have been shown to aid in digestion, boost immune function, and even prevent infection. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is highly versatile. It can be topped with granola and berries, or even be substituted for sour cream in certain recipes. Look for yogurt made with whole milk or reduced fat milk with no added sugar. Your body uses it to fight germs and to make energy. It also helps babies' brains grow. You need more B6 as you get older. Some studies have found links between high B6 blood levels in seniors and better memory, but the vitamin doesn't seem to improve mental abilities in people with dementia. Chickpeas are an easy and inexpensive source. So are liver, fatty fish, and fortified breakfast cereals. It helps make blood and nerve cells. You get it naturally from animal foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Pills, shots, and B12 fortified foods like breakfast cereal are other sources. Most Americans eat enough, but age can change that. Up to 30% of people over 50 have atrophic gastritis, which makes it harder for your body to absorb it from foods. Antacids, some meds, and weight loss surgery can contribute to a lack of B12. Your body needs it to absorb calcium, so take them in tandem to help prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin D also helps your muscles, nerves, and immune system work right. Most people get some vitamin D from sunlight, but your body is less able to convert sun's rays to vitamin D as you age. It's harder to get this vitamin from foods, but fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are a good source. You probably know fiber is good for you, but did you know it's even more important as you age? Fiber helps protect against strokes, helps you poop more regularly, and lowers your cholesterol and blood sugar. Big benefits in older bodies. Women over 50 should get at least 21 grams a day, while men need 30 grams. But most people don't get that much. That's equal to about 6 to 8 servings of whole grains or 8 to 10 servings of vegetables. This natural form of vitamin B9 is in leafy greens, nuts, beans, and other foods. Pregnant women take a lab made form of vitamin B9 called folic acid to help prevent birth defects. Folate helps with cell growth and may protect against stroke and certain cancers. Most Americans get enough. Folate found in foods is safe. But too much folic acid from supplements or fortified foods can raise your odds of having colon cancer or nerve damage. With age, you can start to lose more of this mineral than you absorb. That can make your bones break more easily, especially for women after menopause. Calcium helps your muscles, nerves, cells, and blood vessels work right. You get most of it from your bones, which get it from food. Women over 50 and men over 70 should get about 20% more than other adults. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are good sources. It helps your body make protein and bone, and it keeps your blood sugar stable. You can get it from nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, but older people tend to eat less of it. Plus, they're more likely to have long-term health conditions or take many medications, both of which may leave you short of magnesium. There's little, if any, proof that multivitamins benefit seniors who are otherwise healthy. The U.S. Preventive Services Task Force recommends against daily multivitamins to ward off cancer or heart disease. Multivitamins marketed at seniors may be tailored with higher doses of vitamins D or B12 or less iron. But unless you have a poor appetite or have conditions that keep you from eating a healthy diet, you probably don't need them. These fatty acids are called essential because your body can't make them. They're important for your eyes, brain, and sperm cells. They also could help protect against age-related disease like Alzheimer's, arthritis, and macular degeneration, which can cause blindness. Unless your doctor says otherwise, it's best to get your omega-3s from food like fatty fish, walnuts, canola oil, or flaxseed. Potassium plays a part in almost everything inside your body, including your heart, kidneys, muscles, and nerves. It also may help protect against stroke, high blood pressure, and osteoporosis. Many Americans don't get enough. Dried apricots, bananas, spinach, milk, and yogurt are good sources. Ask your doctor before you take supplements. They can interfere with medications for high blood pressure, migraine, and other conditions. These friendly bacteria are good for your gut. You get them from fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut, or from supplements. They can help with digestive issues like diarrhea or irritable bowel syndrome, and may even protect against allergies. Probiotics are likely safe if you're healthy, but talk to your doctor first if you have any medical issues or a weakened immune system. It protects your cells from damage and infection and keeps your thyroid working the right way. Selenium also can keep your muscles strong and may help prevent age linked illnesses like dementia, some types of cancer, and thyroid disease. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day should be enough. Don't overdo it. Too much selenium can make your hair fall out and turn your nails brittle. Whether it's vitamins, minerals, or fiber, it's best to get them from foods instead of pills. But that can be a challenge for some older Americans, especially if you don't eat a balanced diet. You're most likely to lack vitamin D, potassium, calcium, or dietary fiber. If you think you need more than you can get from food, talk to your doctor about supplements that will be safe with your meds, diet, and health. Many American seniors don't get enough of this underappreciated micronutrient. It helps your sense of smell and taste and fights infections and inflammation, all important jobs in older bodies. Zinc also may protect your vision. Oysters are far and away the best source of this mineral. Otherwise, you can get it from beef, crab, and fortified breakfast cereals.